Now go to work, bitch.
What is up, you guys? Trace is going to be doing my makeup today. So, what's the first thing you want to do?
First thing I want to do is put lipstick on.
Oh, you're going to do lipstick first?
Mm-hmm.
Do I need to take my glasses off?
I got this nice pink lipstick. This looks good. Hannah, stop moving. That looks good. Oh.
Okay, what next? Make sure you close it.
Next,
oh, you want that? Okay. You gonna show everyone what you're gonna use?
This is what I'm gonna be using next.
Wait, which one? Did you show them? Let's show them what you're using. James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. What color are you using?
I'm probably going to use a navy.
What are you using it for?
Your cheeks.
Oh, my cheeks? Okay. A pink for my cheeks. Okay.
Other cheek. Oh, I need more.
Good? Okay, what's next?
That will be...
Do you want to know what I use this for?
What?
Under my eyes.
Okay, I'll use it.
Okay, do I need to take my glasses off?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I in focus?
Yeah.
Is that enough? Do you need any more?
Do
you need any more?
I'm probably gonna fix this. Like that.
Oh, okay, okay. Are we good?
Yeah. Trying to make you beautiful
Oh, thank you.
because you're already yall without your makeup.
Thank you. Next cheek?
Yeah.
Okay.
This doesn't really do it.
Do you need to get more? Do you need more?
I don't see anything on it.
Okay, here, Troy, try.
Mmm, smells good.
Okay, what's next?
What's this?
That's powder.
For what?
My face.
You put it all around your face?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be careful with this.
Yeah.
So this is air spun. That's what it's called. Okay, pat that all over my face. Are we done?
Yeah. You can say that.
Okay, what's next?
That's
Do
natural.
you want to do my eyebrows?
Oh yeah. Oh.
So it's brown.
What about your like up here?
Right here?
Yeah.
It's my eyebrows.
No, right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Eyeshadow?
Yeah.
You just had the eyeshadow stuff.
What color eyeshadow?
You can do any color eyeshadow. Here's the eyeshadow brushes. And this is eyeshadow. We have the Norvina palette from Anastasia. Hold on. And again, we're going back to the James Charles palette. When you're done with brushes, you gotta put them back up. Okay. Pick some colors.
Some.
Well, you can put as many colors on my eyes as you want.
I'm gonna put some blue on then.
You gonna put some blue on?
Wait, open your eye. Okay, that does not look as good as I thought it would, but I probably should change the color for that.
Why?
Maybe like a purple would look good.
Okay, well, do you want to change your brush? It's kind of like painting.
I'm probably gonna change that to a nice pink again. Pink with the lips, pink. I've done pink 3 times. Whoa, it kind of looks like the galaxy.
Oh, crazy.
Ooh, I'm gonna do the same with the other eyebrow. I'm gonna grab
Let's zoom in a little bit so then they can really see your work. Okay, do you want to do my eyebrows? Or no?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Which one did you want to use for my eyebrows? This one?
What others I'll do?
This one, but that one's too dark, so I think you're gonna have to use this one.
Okay.
We're using the Milani
What color is that?
Stay Put Brow Color, soft brown.
Just your eyebrow will make your eyebrow purple.
My eyebrow. You make my eyebrows look good. Should we put on some mascara?
What's mascara?
Makes your eyelashes long.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
You go like this.
Okay.
Or like this.
Okay.
Gotta be very, very careful. Don't stab me in the eye. Or do you want me to hold your hand? Uh-oh. I think you got some on my nose.
Oh, yeah. I'll just grab that.
Are we done?
Wait. I need to use this.
What are you using it for?
Oh, wait. No, wait. I need to use this one.
What are you using it for?
This. I'm gonna make your cheek, this stuff blend in with your face. What color blends in with your face? That one?
Sure.
Yeah, it does. Looks like it does.
Let's see.
Okay. I'm here. I'm fixing that pink that I did. I'm trying to fix the pink. I need to blend them.
Is it fixing?
No, it's not.
I thought the pink was my blush. Isn't it supposed to be pink?
Oh, there. Now it kind of looks better.
Spray it.
I can't.
Why can't you?
It's too hard.
Okay. Are we all done now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow, Trace. Let's see. Let's look at the eyeshadow. Wow, that's some good eyeshadow. You did really good. I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, you guys sit down. We got to do the outro. Okay, so I thought I'd do a close-up for you guys on my brother's makeup that he did. So, here's the lips, and then there is no foundation on, so you can see all my acne scars and my redness. Here's the blush, and he did put some bronzer. There's a little bit of mascara on my nose, the other side. And then for eyes, he wanted to do a galaxy type look. So let's really zoom in on these bad boys. So galaxy. And then he did my eyebrows. He only did the front half. And he did put mascara on. So this is the makeup look. So yeah. Okay, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye, guys.
Bye.